Now that we've taken a look at how to work with NHAIR and how to work with XGen, let's take a look at the newest and greatest system we have inside of Maya for creating hair. It's called Interactive Grooming Splines. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so we're here with the same file we've been working with most of the time. You can see the same animation is still here, and we still have geometry for the beard, the eyebrows, and the hair. Whoops, right up there. For right now, I don't really need to work with the eyebrows or the beard. I'll go ahead and select and hide those. Go ahead and grab them there. And we'll select this bald cap over here. So in order to create these new interactive groom splines, we need to come here to the Generate menu, the same as XGen, but it's actually going to be just below the XGen options. It's actually right over here. It's these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. And we're of course interested in the interactive groom splines option. So I'll go ahead and select that. Now, before we go ahead and talk about all of these options, I want to go ahead and give you a little disclaimer and show you how we can fix this. This system is heavily reliant on your video card, and depending on your video drivers and your settings, you may have some problems with it. I'm going to go ahead and hit Create here, and notice I've had no problems so far until perhaps I select one of these grooming tools, and I get this error. OpenCL is disabled. So that's because my current video driver that Maya is using doesn't support some of the drivers and code that we need in order to use this new system, which is pretty state-of-the-art. So let me show you how you can fix this. I'm going to come over here to Windows. We're going to drop down to Settings and Preferences and select Preferences. Inside of this menu, we're going to go over to Display and drop down here to the bottom. You can see that currently my rendering engine is DirectX 11. I found, at least for my video card, which is actually a very new and nice one, I still can really only get this system to work properly under OpenGL Legacy. I'll still have issues with some of the tools if I'm using compatibility. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. You can see it'll go ahead and be active as soon as I restart. So that's fine. I'll go ahead and select that. And I'm going to reboot Maya, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, I'm back inside of Maya. I'll go ahead and select this bald cap again. We'll come up here to Generate, Interactive Groom Splines, and just as before, I'll go ahead and hit Create. And you can see the groom splines pop up, and let's just test. I'll grab this tool here, and notice now I can work with it. And you can see already this is going to be a lot of fun. But anyway, I wanted to very quickly show you that because this can be an issue and can be very frustrating. So again, be sure to go here to Windows, Settings and Preferences, and we're going to go to Preferences here. Again, it's under Display. And at the very bottom is where you choose your rendering engine. Again, I find that for some video cards, the best thing you can do is select Legacy, but feel free to kind of test and just see what works for you. Chances are, as long as you do have a dedicated video card, one of these will work for you. If you have integrated graphics, then you might have some issues. But anyway, with that aside, let's go ahead and end this clip here, and in the next clip, we're going to jump right into working with these interactive groom splines. I'll see you there.